before we start, you just want to check that you've got the latest version of Xcode installed. So you do this by going to the App Store. And obviously if you don't have Xcode installed, you can just install it here by searching for it. If you do have it installed, just go to Updates and check there's no updates for Xcode at all, and then you're ready to go. We'll just start now by launching Xcode and creating a playground. File, New, Playground. I'm going to use an iOS project here. I'll tell you the difference in a minute. Doesn't really matter where you put this. Now if we press Command, Control and F, we get that in a nice full screen view, which lets us focus on what we're doing. Now you'll see here it says Launching Simulator, and I think that what it's actually doing is it's compiling this project, and you'll see in a moment it will actually update this area over here. Yeah, so this demonstrates a couple of the areas in the playground. You've got your main code area here, the playground output, and you've also got, if you do, I think it's Command, Shift and Y, you've got a debug window here, so if you're printing any specific output, this is where it appears. So I'll just start by explaining what's on the screen. The first line is a single line comment, so it's just 2 backslashes and anything on a single line. If you wanted to do a multi-line comment, it's a backslash and an asterisk followed by as many lines of comment as you want, an asterisk and a backslash, and that terminates the comment. Now this next line, this is the difference between when you choose an iOS project or a Mac project. This import here is importing the iOS components, which is called UIKit. Now one thing to bear in mind when you're using Swift is that you don't have to specifically include any files in your project. All classes are available to all other files or classes in the project implicitly, unless you explicitly state they're private. So you generally only have to use the import statement when you're bringing something into the project. And the next line here is, it's just creating a string, and I'll go into data types in the next video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to theappblueprint.com on YouTube. Also, you can find more information about the App Blueprint on theappblueprint.com. I'm also part of a consortium of other developers where we create apps for iOS in Swift. That's at londonswift.com. And my personal website is darrendavidtaylor.com, when you can find out more information about my training and other services.